Hello and welcome back, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we're doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on, yes, a black 1977 Pontiac Trans Am. Whew. It is a code 19 car. It is a factory black car. It is a 400 engine under the hood with a 4-speed manual transmission. It is a factory powertrain on this car. This car has only 32,000 original miles on it. Original drivetrain, all original interior. It's had one repaint and its original color. It's got the correct wheels on it. It's got the BF Goodrich Radio TA raised white letters on it. This is one fabulous car. It's power steering, it's power brakes, it's factory air conditioning, factory power windows, factory power locks, all that stuff works. It is absolutely beautiful. It has the undercarriage of the car. It's got the original red epoxy primered floors. You don't find cars like this all the time, and it is documented on the original Ohio title that we have a copy of, that it is documented, 32,000 miles. The paint's beautiful. Like I say, the interior, all original as far as I know. The guy told me it's all original interior, which I do not disagree with him. The seats are gorgeous, front and back. Sail panels, package tray, headliner, super nice, very tight. Visors, door jambs are excellent. Door panels are very, very nice. One spectacular car. Say to find one, a 400 4-speed 77, that's a real black car. No invitations here. Little space saver spares still there. Jack instructions. Just absolutely gorgeous inside the trunk. I looked underneath inside the quarter panels. Looks like it's got all original quarter panels on it. Dual exhaust. Tilt steering column. Seats, like I say, the seats are gorgeous. Even the clock works in the dash. 32,346 miles. Neutral safety switch even works. Wipers work. Horn works. Lights work. Dash lights work. Dome light works. AC works. Radio works. Rear window defrost. Left turn, right turn. Bright headlight indicator. Just a spectacular example. I see a lot of these cars, but I don't usually buy them because I get them in and out of here, but you just don't find them this nice, and I don't want to buy one that's just an average quality car. We want above average quality cars here at Kinion Classics. We want nice cars, and this one is spectacular. All original appearing under the hood. I don't believe the engine's ever been out of the car. Painted up really nice. Maybe it has, but the gentleman said it's original engine. Say power steering, power brakes, the air, you can see the compressor is kicked on. Turn signals, hazards, high beams, low beams, they all work. The air conditioning blows cold. Goes over right, buddy. Even the power locks work.
They do?
Mm-hmm. I don't think your door's shut all the way, buddy. There you go.
I don't think it is.
I'll get it. There you go.
Thanks.
Shut them 4-ways off. Just a beautiful, beautiful dashboard in the car. The dash is in excellent shape too. When I bought this car, it had a dash mat on it. He asked me if he could take the little front TA license plate frame, license plate off. And I said, yeah. And I didn't know he was taking the dash mat too. But I guess it is what it is, huh? You want to hold that, buddy?
Thank you.
Hmm?
Can you hold it?
Yeah, I can. Very nice. All the gauges work. Oil pressure, water temp, tach, fuel gauge, amp gauge. Everything works. You can see how nice the paint is. Just look out over top of the hood. You see how beautiful it is. Air conditioning is cold in here. I will have this car pictured and priced on my website yet today. So check it out. Website is kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty cars every day, so give us a call. Don't miss out on this 1977 Pontiac Trans Am. It is a WS4. It does have the W72 handling package. Saying that these cars, the 77s, you just don't see them as much, and especially with a 4-speed, you know, and a factory 4-speed as well. And I do have the copy of the original window sticker as well on this car. And I like it too. You go down the road, it doesn't have a bunch of wind leaks or air leaks or nothing. Beautiful black paint. And if you had wind leaks or air leaks today, you'd definitely find it because it is windy out. Probably hear that. People are going to say you should have had a mic cover on. Well, I don't, so you'll have to deal with the little bit of wind noise while I'm outside talking with you. But gorgeous car. Paint, body, interior, 32,347 miles now. What's the matter, buddy? You getting hot?
Yeah.
We'll go up in the office when we're done with this one, okay?
Okay. Now it'll be cooled off.
Awesome car, runs and drives very nice. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. Those of you who have, thank you very much. We appreciate it, don't we, buddy?
Yeah.
Hope you have a great afternoon, and give us a call on this 77 TA. Thanks for watching, everyone.